What began as a routine trespass call at a hotel quickly spiraled. A frustrated guest, a white Mustang, and a string of poor choices turned one problem into several and put officers in a tough spot between mental health detention and a criminal arrest.
Do you stay here?
I stay wherever I want. Where are you? You need to address yourself.
What's your car, that Mustang?
Yeah. What? Is there a problem?
The problem is what happened over there.
The problem is she's a winch because she's ugly.
Okay, well, I can't even talk to you because you won't let me talk.
Because she's full of shit.
Okay, they're going to tow your car. They're going to tow your car. That's all you need to know. They're going to tow your car. Okay, because it needs to get out of there. They're going to tow your car.
And I'll move it. What's
okay,
the fucking deal?
So move it.
You don't have to be an asshole because some.
You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me.
I am.
So go ahead and move it.
No, you could have said, "Could you move your car, please?"
I'm trying to talk to you.
That people
I'm trying to talk to you.
I left $20 in the fucking man of a homeless hand.
Relax.
I left fucking $20. That bitch ain't shit. She's a piece of fucking crap.
That's fine.
She don't have any empathy. Can't even say who she is. Try to tell you what your number is. Nobody tells people who their room number is when they're alone.
I understand.
And you're a girl.
Okay.
And human trafficking go on. I work for the government. That's bullshit.
Okay.
You guys, whatever.
Okay.
I'll get in my car in a few minutes. I had to calm down. I can't drive when I'm mad.
All right. Sounds good.
Jesus.
All right. So once you move it, that's fine.
I'm mad at her. I'm not mad at you.
Okay. Got you. Just make sure you move it.
Multiple hotels ask a woman to leave. She slips into a maintenance area to avoid staff. Officers show up to move her and her car off private property. The tone sours fast. Raised voices, scattered claims, and no shared plan. When told her Mustang will be towed, she drives off and hops to a nearby BP lot, bumping a parking stop on the way. That single choice stacks on new safety and liability concerns.
Listen to what he's telling you to do.
First of all,
You need to get out of the car.
touch me. What's your issue?
He's telling you to get out of the car.
Why are you guys manhandling me?
You gotta relax.
But why are you manhandling me?
Because you're tensing up
Well,
and
then
pulling
read me
away
my
from
rights.
us.
What's your
Relax.
issue? You haven't read me
You're
my
not
rights.
under arrest.
need
Well,
to
then
read
let
you
me
right.
go,
You're not under arrest.
please.
Relax.
I'm
Relax.
trying to get a damn drink.
Relax.
Relax.
Let me go.
Stop resisting.
Dude, are you serious? What is your issue?
Stop tensing.
No. You don't have to fucking arrest me unless you read my rights. I work for
You're
the
not
government.
under arrest.
I know my. Well, then let me go.
Nobody's
Not under
asking
any
you
Baker Act,
Nobody's
dude.
asking you
I'm
any
mad.
questions.
My car's blown up and I'm stuck here, and now you guys are helping.
Stop
My
tensing up
mechanic's
on him.
on his way.
What
I
is-
asked for permission.
what
The
is
car
your
can
name?
stay for 30 minutes.
What is your name?
I'm not driving.
What is your name?
Melody, let go of me. My
Relax.
wrist is
No.
sprained.
Relax.
And this is what I see on video.
Relax.
People like you.
Stop
Relax.
turning
Relax.
around and tensing up.
No, because you
Okay.
haven't read me your rights.
If he's
I've done
told
nothing
you-
wrong.
listen.
I'm staying at this
If
hotel.
he's told you you're placed under a Baker Act,
Sir,
okay, we have the right to
listen.
detain you for the purpose of effecting
I have
that
not
Baker
done
Act.
anything.
Okay.
From an analyst's lens, the drivers of escalation are clear. Alcohol, refusal to comply with lawful directives on private property, and movement of a car after warnings. The officers' priorities track standard practice. Separate the subject from the crowd, stabilize the scene, choose the least risky legal tool, and protect any animals or property. The biggest failure here is not just conduct, but communication. Everyone talks. No one truly listens.
Nice.
You're not being placed under
And-
arrest right now,
Well, then
but
let
he
me
is
go,
detaining
please.
you.
You're not
a
under
real
arrest.
person?
You're not under arrest.
Well, what's your issue?
You're gonna
Testosterone?
be Baker acted. That's what's gonna
For
happen.
what?
Which means he's going to detain you in
For
handcuffs
what?
right now.
Relax.
Stop.
Let me know for what?
You're
You know how many people it takes to Baker Act someone?
I'll speak to you
Melody.
after.
No, why can't
Melody,
you tell me not like
listen.
a person?
Listen.
No, you're not
You are
for
being
humans.
Baker Acted. You
For
are not
what?
being arrested. If you do not stop
For
tensing
what?
up, stop. If you do
For
not
what?
stop tensing up,
Get your finger out of my face.
you will be arrested for resisting.
For what?
Okay? Do you,
You
want
haven't
to
read me my rights. You said I'm not being charged for anything.
Okay,
So what
but
am I
you're
being
currently
Baker Acted because I
resisting.
wanted to get a drink
He's giving you
or
a
check out of the
lawful order.
hotel?
She's gonna get going. Relax.
What's
Relax.
your issue, dude?
Relax. So we're gonna take you to the
You're
ground.
really letting a girl have her way
Relax.
because I was checking out and I was at the pool. My
Relax.
car's broke down.
We don't want to do this.
What is
Relax.
the issue then? You're gonna break my fucking elbow.
No one's going to
Stop.
break anything.
You said I'm not under arrest. What's
Okay.
the fucking issue?
Handcuffs don't mean you're under arrest,
You
but
need
you
multiple
are being
people to Baker Act someone. I know the law. Yes, you do. What the is your issue? Really? For what am I being arrested?
You're not being arrested. You're being Baker Acted.
For what?
And you're being detained
For
in
what?
handcuffs.
For what? How
He'll
many
explain
people
that
does
to you
it
in a
take?
minute once he's
I
got
know. I
up.
worked for the fucking government.
That's fine.
Higher above you guys.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so what am I being detained for?
He just told you. You're being
And how
placed
many
under a
people
Baker
does it
Act.
take to Baker Act an adult?
One.
No, it does not.
For law enforcement? Yes,
No,
it
it does not.
Can I fix
For
this cuff
what?
so it doesn't
I'm not even
ride up on your
driving. You
arm?
asked me to move my car. I moved my car. For what?
Can I fix this cuff for
No,
you?
not.
him
You can
fix
tell
it.
me for what am I being arrested?
You're not
being
arrested.
arrested.
So what am I being Baker Acted? Because
you
if I
meet
don't want to do
criteria. That's why.
for what?
For a Baker Act.
I'm trying to fix these
What are you
handcuffs.
talking about?
Let him fix the
I
cuffs
had
for
a
you.
drink. I'm not even driving.
I'm trying to
And
fix
I
these
would never
handcuffs
drive
for you.
drinking. My car's broke down.
I'm trying to fix these
I
handcuffs
have
for
money.
you.
I'll pay for another room.
Can I
I've never
please fix these
bothered
handcuffs?
anyone.
Can I please fix these
For
handcuffs?
what?
So they're not riding up on your arm like they are right now.
Sir, seriously,
I don't want
are
these
you a
cuffs
boy?
to cut you.
Seriously?
I'm trying to help you out.
My boyfriend stayed with me and you left me. I was trying to fix my
Listen,
car.
let me-
What is your
let me
reason
down.
for trying to Baker Act me?
He'll explain that once you stop resisting.
No, that's not the point.
Okay,
You have
it
to
is
tell
the
me
point.
before and read me my rights.
No one has to read your rights.
Yes, you do. I haven't driven.
Okay,
I haven't done anything wrong.
You're wanting us to
I was
read
at
you
the
your
pool.
rights.
A girl got mad that I was past half an hour, and I came out here.
Okay.
What are you Baker acting me
Okay,
for?
he can explain that to you.
For what? And you're hurting me.
Okay, well, you keep tensing up.
Well, yeah, fuck. I have my daughter's therapy dog there. You think you're just gonna... For what? You haven't
Have a seat in
explained
the car.
anything.
Have a seat. We'll talk to you.
No, you haven't talked to me at all. Will you turn the air on, hon?
Yes, absolutely.
No, no,
He's
no.
going to put the air on for you.
For what are you Baker acting?
All right, there's all the way up. Kick your feet in. Hey, kick your
I
feet
didn't
in
go
for me.
anywhere. I didn't do anything. I didn't hurt
I
anyone.
turn the air up for
What's your
you.
fucking problem?
You need to listen to what we're telling you to do. Does
I
not.
know the fucking law. If you know the law so well,
Are you going to put your legs in, or am I going to have to pull
If
you
you
into
guys
this
know
car?
the law so well, why am I in trouble? Tell me. Oh, you're just a prick like everyone else who wants to put.
Okay. I didn't even get a chance to read the call notes.
I don't even know. Okay.
We'll talk to you in just a minute, ma'am.
So she was here. I guess calls in the 22.
Okay.
They said they want to 42 her. So I
Okay.
said, okay. She hopped the fence, went to La Quinta. She was kind of hiding in one of their maintenance rooms.
Okay.
I was talking to her. She got on my face, started yelling.
Okay.
She wasn't like balling up or anything, but
Okay.
she was heading that way. So I came over here to give her the 42. She has her car right here. I tell her, okay, move your car because they're going to tow it. She like floored it, almost slammed into my car, and then flew right here.
Okay.
And she crashed into the bumper there.
Okay.
And then that's when she got out. She goes in there to ask him, like, hey, can my car stay here or whatever? Then at that point, I was like, okay, I need to put her under the 329 or I smell the alcohol in her.
Yeah, I can smell the alcohol on her breath.
So-
I'd definitely go more towards Marchmack than a Baker, unless she made any comments that she was going to hurt herself or hurt anybody else.
Well, I'm a nurse, and that's my daughter's therapy dog. She has seizures.
Okay,
So
I
you
was
might
ju-
want to call
I-
her grandmother.
Okay, I was
and
just
tell
about
her,
to ask you who I
even though
can get
don't
for the
know what
dogs. We'll have to
is
call
the
animal
issue because I didn't even drive. But you guys, I don't understand what the hell you guys are doing. You don't even tell people what you're doing.
So here's
That's
the thing.
a problem.
Here's the thing.
I work for the government. You guys are sad. You guys really break my heart. I had a heartbreaking day. My car broke down. My guy left, and now I had to move my car is 6 feet, and I did, and I'm in trouble. So, good for you guys. Let's get going.
Would you like me to explain what's going on?
You guys don't want to. That's your
Okay. No, we wanted to get you secure to make sure you weren't going to hurt yourself or somebody else
Of course I'm not.
before we sat there and tried
Why
to
would I
explain
hurt
it.
someone? I asked for a drink,
Okay.
and 30 minutes from my car, he said no. I said fine.
Here's
I'll
the
drive
problem.
my car to the next parking lot. I told your officer, I'll drive my car to the next parking lot. That's not a reason to be Baker acted.
Here's
because
the
my
problem.
car's broke
Stop.
down, I have to move it from my hotel room. Are you serious? I know people that are out of their mind.
When the supervisor gets
They're
here
out of their
and
mind.
you complain that we haven't told you what's going
Sir,
on, I'm
you
going to
didn't
play this
complain.
video for him
You didn't
of you
complain.
talking
You
over
didn't
me
tell me
every
what's going
time I
on.
try to talk to you and
All
let you know what's
told me
going
is
on.
what? What'd I do wrong? Nothing.
You'd almost be better off doing disorderly intoxication.
Yeah.
I'll 10-15 her for that. But she keeps asking, what she did, this and that. I was trying to ask her about the dog, who we could give the dog to, and she just keeps talking over me.
Yeah, she
I
won't
literally can't get a word out.
She
You didn't tell me what I did. And I'm like, every time I'm trying to tell you what you did or what's going on, you scream and you yell over me. I can't get a word out. Is Sarge still coming here?
Yeah, he's coming.
Okay.
What's the problem?
So here's the couple concerns that we have.
Anyone? I didn't do anything wrong.
If you want me to explain something to you, stop talking over
Well, I
me.
didn't finish my sentence. I have not done anything wrong. What's the problem? And where's the dog? That's her therapy.
The dog is in the car.
And?
I was trying to get the number
No,
from
you
you.
were threatening me. You were just too busy threatening me.
How did I threaten
about
you?
your supervisor not being here. And I've been in this car for 26 minutes, and you guys didn't tell me anything.
No, you have not been in the car for
There's
26
no
minutes.
reason for me to even be in here.
So our
She
original.
got mad because
What is the
I'm
phone number
really
for the
upset.
person who needs to get the dog?
Do you understand
What is the phone number for the person
you
who
still don't
needs to
even
get
know
the
why I'm
dog?
in here?
So the other officer
not
got a call
understand.
about wanting you trespassed, okay, for
But
whatever
she's
went...
fine, whatever, but she's not nice.
Will you let me finish explaining my side to you,
Sure, but
please?
you guys didn't give me a chance to explain.
Okay, I just gave you several opportunities to explain.
Not wanting me to buy a root beer, all right?
So my understanding
I
is
help
he...
people every day, and you're going around arresting people. Come back, will you
My
please?
patience is
Will you
wearing very,
please-
very thin with
Yeah,
you.
mine too. Will you please come? I have a child, dude, and I don't know what the f I'm in the car for. Can you please come back? I'll listen.
I'm
please.
going to stand right here and I'm going to explain it to you.
Oh.
So when he tried to come and speak with you,
How
okay,
you threaten me with your supervisor, and I don't
No.
understand? You guys didn't explain.
Okay.
How am I going to understand?
we're going to wait for the supervisor to get here. He can explain it
You
to you.
shouldn't be saying that.
I'm not going
You
with
should
you.
explain. You're
I'm not-
smart enough to explain
I'm not
yourself.
going to talk over you.
You never explained anything. I begged you at my car.
This
I
is now
begged
the
you.
third time I've tried to explain
I begged
it,
you
and you were
5
talking
times.
over me.
I said, come back in and let me.
So we're going to wait for Todd to get here because I can't get a word out with her. I got her in my car.
After more attempts to explain, officers pivot away from a Baker Act and toward an arrest for disorderly intoxication, citing her intoxication, erratic behavior, and the vehicle factor. They also scramble to safeguard a claimed therapy dog in the car and sort out bags of clothing hotel staff say are hers. Another friction point that inflames tempers but doesn't change the core risk picture.
So I'll have you stand here with me because every time I tried to do this, she just talks right over me. Oh, you can't bake right. You need 3 adults. I didn't do anything. I just want a root beer. You're going to end up being placed under arrest for disorderly intoxication.
I'm not
Okay.
intoxicated, dude. Are you
Okay.
serious?
We could both smell the alcohol on your breath.
I woke up at 9 a.m. and I had 1 drink and I've been here. The checkout was at 12 and at 12:20 I was at the pool. She asked me to leave and I f***ing left.
Okay, it's
I
3:45
went
and we
next
could
door.
both smell the alcohol on your breath.
And it's 1 drink. Ask
At 9
him.
a.m. You had 1 drink at 9 a.m. and your breath
9:23.
still
I don't
smells like
lie.
alcohol.
My mother's a fucking preacher.
Okay,
What
that's
is your
irrelevant.
issue, dude?
That's irrelevant. My
You're
issue
still
is
sitting here waiting for your supervisor. I've been in here for 30
No, the
minutes.
supervisor-
You can't tell me what I even did wrong.
The supervisor
I didn't
came and
drive. I didn't do anything. All I did, the lady was being a bitch.
if you don't tell me where your daughter's at, we're calling animal control for the dog, and I don't want to do that.
Trying to buy a drink, and then when he said I couldn't leave my car, I
Okay.
turned him down. I've been here a lot of times.
Unfortunately,
I
you've been
could move
talking
my
over me
car.
this entire time, so I'm not able to fully explain to you why.
Well, you
all
never
right?
explained why
All I'm
anything.
required
You should
to
be
do.
reading my rights.
Okay. I'm
But
not
I don't
asking you any.
understand.
I'm not asking you any incriminating questions.
There's no, there's.
I'm
you
not
should
asking you
still read my
anything.
rights when I'm under arrest. There's nothing. I didn't do
Incorrect.
anything wrong.
Incorrect.
All I asked you over and over is what I did wrong to be detained.
Okay. And I can't
I'm
tell you
trying to get my
because you're
car
still
fixed.
talking over me. All right.
Well, I'm
put-
upset.
Okay.
You're a normal citizen, right? Me too.
Awesome looking policeman.
Appreciate it.
You're handsome. Wow. He wants a picture with the police officer.
Oh, absolutely. I might have some badge stickers in the car too.
After being nice enough to take some pictures with the little boy and giving him some badge stickers, the officers are given bags of clothing from the nearby hotels that allegedly belong to the suspect. The officer then becomes concerned for the suspect's dog.
Let's get her out of my car and into yours, and I'm gonna put the dog in my car with the AC on.
Dumpster bitch. Why'd you just put trash bags in my car?
Those are bags of clothing that they found.
They're not mine. Don't put trash in my car. What the hell's wrong with you? That's not my shit. I walked over there for 3 seconds, and you guys, he
Okay.
walked up right when I got there. Don't put trash in my car.
It's
You're
women's-
stealing hotel's car and putting it in my. What the f is wrong with you?
It's women's clothing.
And I don't give a fuck. I'm a size 1.
Relax. You need to relax.
You don't put trash in my car.
We
Where's
thought it
your
was-
supervisor?
we thought it was your
It's been an
belongings.
hour. Well, it's not. So get it the f out.
Okay, so we'll put it back in the
Get
trash.
it out of my car.
Sit in the car.
You're a thief. You just
We'll
stole
put it back.
trash
We'll put
from
it back.
someone's dumpster and put it in my car.
Here, have a seat.
What the f is wrong with you? I'm not a dumpster, bitch. I rented a hotel here. I've been here for an hour.
Okay.
You've been here for an hour sitting in the AC, not letting me talk to you.
Give me a break. You just broke the law.
Last time I helped you out with anything.
Yeah.
Good Lord. Let me go put all that stuff back in the dumpster since she thinks we're dumping trash in her car. Well, if it is hers, it's going back in the dumpster, so.
36, 31.
All right, come on.
29 PD. College Road, Southwest 7th Street. College Road, Southwest 7th Street. Longer 10. Call maximum showing speed.
There you go. Some water. Want some water?
Don't even read people their rights. That's illegal right there. So you're already I don't even know what the I'm arrested for. I just finished my drink and walked outside, so I can't be arrested for public intoxication. Because I haven't been in public. It's the world. You don't even have to be black to be disrespected. You disrespect the whites. Karma's a dude. God's a judge, and I didn't do anything wrong, and you're wasting your time, and you want to manhandle me, so.
Recording.
You gonna behave for me? Are you gonna cooperate for me?
Oh, sure, darling. I mean, I'm a preacher's daughter, but yeah, I'm the stabbing type. Give me a fucking break. Give me a fucking break, dude. You know what I did? I bought a drink at the gas station and didn't mistreat anyone. You want to manhandle girls, and you're gonna pay for it. My lawyer's gonna make sure, man. Quit fucking grabbing me.
Relax.
You didn't relax at all, did you? You didn't even tell me. Oh wait, you didn't read my rights because you're not a real
Relax.
cop.
Here.
You didn't read my
Here.
rights.
Stand against the wall over here.
Okay.
Disorderly intoxication. Why do I always get the fun people, man? Why do I always get the fun people? Gosh.
In the end, the woman is booked for disorderly intoxication. Bond is set at $2,000. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty. The takeaway is simple but tough to practice. When stress and alcohol collide, take a breath, follow clear directions, and don't let a parking dispute snowball into handcuffs.